We'll show you how to add trusted connections on Roblox and make sure the people you trust are really connected. If you find this guide useful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps. Roblox has added this new feature to make online interactions safer. This lets you connect only with people you know and trust. We'll guide you step by step so you can set it up easily. You can do this on both your phone and computer, and I'll explain exactly what to press on each device. First, open Roblox and go to More. On mobile, it's at the bottom right. On a computer, you'll find it on the left side. Next, look for Settings. On mobile, you might need to scroll down a little. Once you're in Settings, go to Account Info. Here, you need to estimate your age. Scroll down to Age and Birthday and check your details. You must be at least 13 to use this feature. Press Continue with Camera. Roblox will open your camera. Read the instructions carefully, agree, and press Continue. Give the app permission to access your camera. Your camera will open, and you'll need to take a quick photo for age verification. After it finishes, it will estimate your age. If it says you're 13 or older, you're ready to move on. Now, we can start adding trusted connections. The person you want to add must also complete their age estimation. To add someone, press Connect, then choose Add from QR code. If the person is already your friend, you still need to scan a QR code. You can either scan their code or have them scan yours. Once scanned, confirm the connection. On the other account, press Accept to complete the process. Now, when you tap on that person and open the menu, it will show Trusted. This means the connection is verified and safe. And that's it. You've successfully added a trusted connection on Roblox. If this guide helped you, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Roblox tutorials.